Hello students, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படினா 6th standard scienceல unit 1 measurement book back exercise one word நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Page number 10.
Rule number 1, choose the correct answer.
First, the height of the tree can measure by
Measuring tape.
Conversion of 7 meter into centimeter gives
700 centimeter.
Quantity that can measure called physical quantity. Fourth one, choose the correct one. Kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Fifth one, while measuring the length of an object using a ruler, the position of your eye should be vertically above the point where the measurement is to be taken. Next, filling the blanks. First one, SI unit of length is
Meter.
Second one, 500 gram is equal to dash kilogram.
0.5.
Third one, the distance between Delhi and Chennai can be measured by in kilometer. Fourth one, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 5 kilometer is equal to
5,000 meter.
Okay. Third one, true or false. First one, we can say the mass of an object is 126 kg.
True.
Length of one's chest can be measured using meter scale.
False.
10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter.
True.
A hand span is reliable measure of length.
False.
The SI system of units is accepted everywhere in the world.
True.
Complete the analogy. Fourth, Roman letter fourth. Sugar bean balance lime juice. Measuring jar. Height of a person centimeters. Length of your sharpened pencil lead millimeter. Milk volume vegetables mass. Match the following. Length of the forearm cubit. SI unit of the length meter. Nano
10
power minus 9. SI unit of time second. Kilo 10 power 3.
Power 3.
Answer in word or two. Number fifth one பார்க்கல, sixth one. Arrange the following in the increasing order of unit. Meter, centimeter, kilometer and millimeter. First one millimeter, second one centimeter, third one meter, fourth one kilometer. An answer in a word or two. What is the full form of the SI system? International System of Unit. Name any one instrument used for measuring mass. Electronic balance. Find the add-on out. Kilogram, millimeter, centimeter, nanometer. Kilogram. What is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram. What are the two parts present in the measurement? Number and unit. The ninth one, find the answer for the following questions within the grid. 10 power minus 3 in 1 minus 3 is 1 millimeter. SI unit of time is second. Cross view of reading a measurement leads to
Mistake.
Dash is the one what a clock reads.
Time.
Dash is the amount of a substance present in an object.
Mass.
Dash can be taken to get the final reading of the recordings of different students for a single measurement.
Length.
Dash is the fundamental quantity.
Length.
Dash shows the distance covered by an automobile. Odometer. A tailor uses dash to take measurements to stitch the cloth.
Measuring tape.
Okay. Liquid or measured with this physical quantity.
Liter. Thank you for